Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both OneDrive and your D drive. First, sign into the OneDrive app with the account to sync. Once signed in, confirm the app is updated so features behave as expected. Next, check D has enough free space for the files you plan to move. Make space if necessary. Finally, locate OneDrive settings now. This sets you up to change the folder location in the next step without losing data. Now you'll change OneDrive's local folder to D. First, unlink the PC in OneDrive settings to avoid conflicts. This preserves files in the cloud. After unlinking, sign back in and when prompted for folder location, select Change Location. Navigate to or create D/OneDrive and choose it. OneDrive will begin resynchronizing. Make sure it matches what's in the cloud so you don't get duplicates. Once the rescan finishes, confirm files appear in D and online. Finish by verifying sync health and handling issues. You'll check status icons for green check marks on fully synced files, blue clouds for online only, and spinning arrows for active syncing. If syncing stalls, pause, wait 10 seconds, then resume. If still stuck, restart the OneDrive app. Make sure selective sync settings include the folders you need. If files are missing or conflicting, use OneDrive Online to restore or compare versions. This ensures your D copy matches the cloud and avoids data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.